Alright guys, so you might know the last video I posted was about these cars over here. And I'm going to do a long distance jump with all of them. Let me get this cord out of the way. I want to make sure we have enough room for all the cars to jump. So, we had 13 cars. So let's see who can go the furthest. First up, we have Monster Jam Mini's Dragon. Go. Good distance. Not that bad. Next up, 2017 Ford GT. Oh, he did way better than Dragon. He's in the lead now. Okay, custom small block. Oh, he slams into the Ford. Turn him around real quick. But still, he can't even be seen on the camera, but he's still, well, he just got in front of the Ford. Next up, Godzilla GT. And go. Oh, wow, he went on the floor. Amazing. Like, he went off the carpet. Next up, high-tech missile. Ooh. He almost beat Godzilla GT, but not enough. Nitro Tailgater up next. Oh, wow. The Action 5-pack cars are going far. Wow. Okay. Street Shaker up next. Oh wow, Street Shaker is now in. Wait. Aw, he's in third place. And the final car from the Action 5-pack, Track Tune. Oh dear, that was rubbish. He literally got a wheel off the track. Oh yeah, you remember how I said that if this thing glows or not? It does. It has glow wheels. Right here. See the glow wheels? I can see the wheels glow, but you guys probably can't. Okay, next up, Chevrolet Tour. Wow, great distance. He's in front of Nitro Tailgater, but not enough to beat Godzilla GT. Next up, Hot Wheels High. Oh wow, he's in the lead now. He went flying over the cord. Okay, next up, Synchro. Oh, he crashed into Nitro Tailgater, moving his distance. But he didn't get further than Hot Wheels High. Off track up next. Oh wow, he went flying. Oh, he knocked Godzilla GT. Oh, Godzilla GT decided to go move into his normal position. But Godzilla GT still is in second place. Okay, and the final car, Time Tracker. If Time Tracker does not beat Hot Wheels High, then Hot Wheels High is the winner. Go! Oh, he let some air off the track, but Hot Wheels High is the brand new Hot Wheels. Okay, well, Hot Wheels High is the Anthony's car champion. Anthony's brand new car champion, I guess. So, congrats to all of their cars. Well, definitely not Track Tune because he just skidded and then he just like he just like flopped off the track like a fish. Flopped off the track like a silly salmon. So, if your pick was right, be happy because if you've never won a guessing game before, then well, this is kind of like a guessing game because you have to guess which car you think can win the challenge. Oh wait, it was Nitro Tailgater. I like putting things in order. And then we have this. Oh wait, custom small block. And then we have the bus, synchro. Okay, thank you so much for watching, if you did. Hope you all enjoyed. I love you. Bye.